morning is off to a great start. I'm China Haley in for Jennifer Vong. Coming up, Mazda prepares for its next generation Mazda 3 sedan. But first up, headlines. Ford is buying an electric scooter company called Spin. Ford making the purchase in a bid to expand its mobility offerings and reach consumers who need short-distance transportation solutions. It says the scooters will roll out in 100 cities over the next 18 months, including a Thursday launch in Detroit. News of the acquisition comes a week after crosstown rival General Motors said it would launch a new brand and lineup of electrified bicycles in 2019. Ford also offers bicycles through Ford Go Bike, a West Coast rental service. Ford did not reveal the purchase price for Spin. Dockless electric scooters have exploded in popularity in cities across the U.S. in recent months. Customers can download an app, locate a scooter, scan a code, and ride. Elon Musk has a boss now. Tesla appointing Robin Denholm to replace Musk as chair of the electric car maker's board. This more than a month after the billionaire had to step down from the role as part of a settlement with U.S. regulators. He remains CEO. Denholm is one of two women on the car maker's 9-member board. Her appointment caps months of turbulence for the company and its stock as investors call for stronger oversight of Musk. His erratic public behavior raising concerns about his ability to steer the company through a rocky phase of growth. Denholm is currently Chief Financial Officer at Australian telecom operator Telstra and has been an independent director on Tesla's board since 2014. She will leave Telstra in May. In an overnight tweet, Musk said he's looking forward to working with Denholm. Nissan's global operating profit plunged 21% to $890.2 million in the fiscal second quarter. Net income declined 7.9% to $1.25 million, and revenue slipped 2.6%. The Japanese automaker says its push to improve profitability in the crucial U.S. market is taking more time and money than expected. North American operating profit climbed 13% in the most recent quarter, but Chief Financial Officer Hiroshi Karubi says the automaker was aiming higher. CEO Hiroto Saikawa is trying to pivot the company away from profit-draining fleet sales and incentives in the U.S. He says Nissan is prepared to sacrifice volume in an attempt to shore up brand value and margins. Last spring, the company began pulling back fleet deliveries, culling bloated inventories, and easing pressure on dealer sales incentive programs, even as the U.S. light vehicle market softens. And a once prospering dealership group facing lawsuits by two captive finance arms has lost franchises at two of its dealerships in Pennsylvania, while two Michigan dealerships have closed. Former NFL linebackers Antonio Pierce and Jesse Armstead and auto industry veteran Michael Saporito own the dealerships. In August, Nissan Motor Acceptance Corporation and Hyundai Capital America each sued the dealership group over claims it sold hundreds of vehicles but failed to repay millions of dollars in floor plan loans. Nissan North America has terminated its sales and service franchise agreement for Hazleton Nissan in Pennsylvania, and it confirmed Wednesday that two Michigan stores, All Pro Nissan of Dearborn and All Pro Nissan of Macomb, closed in the last week. Meantime, Kia Motors America confirming that it terminated the Hazleton Kia franchise in early October. Official press days for the Los Angeles Auto Show get underway later this month. Among the vehicles taking center stage, the next generation Mazda 3 compact sedan and hatchback, which will come with a fresh design language. This teaser photo offering a glimpse at the styling of both models. The rounded bodywork showcasing the latest embodiment of Mazda's Kodo design language. Meantime, the re-engineered Mazda 3 also getting the automaker's new fuel-efficient engine dubbed Skyactiv X. Mazda CEO Akira Morimoto says the strategy is to mate the lightweight engine to a mild hybrid system. As our Asia editor Hans Greimel reports, mild hybrids are a key component of Mazda's plan to electrify every vehicle in its lineup by 2030. The Mazda 3's global debut in LA will kick off a new era of performance-oriented vehicle platforms for the Japanese automaker. But whether the upgrades will help lift the small car's U.S. sales is still unknown. Through October, Mazda 3 sales are down 14% in a challenging market for passenger cars. And that's all for today. Remember, you can follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day.